In this video, you'll discover the smart and easy way to create your own custom AI prompt makers, and it is totally free. Plus, I'll reveal the best way to get cheap AI to energize your content making. Welcome to the channel. In this video, you'll discover how to build customized prompt systems designed specifically to your needs. Plus, this method uses free tools, and there's a really inexpensive option that takes your AI content skills to entirely new level. First, download and install a free browser plugin called the Open in Sidebar extension. Allows you to load almost any web page in a sidebar, so you have access to 2 pages at once and don't have to constantly switch tabs. It lets you be much more productive by letting you access online tools like the AI sidebar page in a sidebar. Using a sidebar extension isn't just for using with Feedsbox or the AI sidebar page. Everyone that works on the web should have a sidebar extension. It makes a lot of things a lot easier. You can use your sidebar page with free and paid AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, etc. to get the ultimate results. And you'll see how well a sidebar tool works with the AI sidebar page. First, let's look at your sidebar page in the full browser window. At the top is the feeds box that lets you chat directly with OpenAI, and on the sidebar page is totally free and is designed to maximize your ability to create most interesting, helpful, and engaging content with the help of artificial intelligence. Next are potent collections of prompt buttons that will make your content creations far more informative and interesting. We'll get into how to use these prompting tools to create AI content in unique ways in other training. This is just to show you how to use them. Next is a work area where you can craft your prompts. You can use your own Feedbox AI connection or pretty much any AI platform that uses text prompts. Once your prompts are ready, just copy and paste them into the AI. Here's some buttons that will open more features. This top button opens another work area. As you'll see in other videos, having a second area to store info can be really helpful. You can click and drag the bottom right corner of both work areas to resize them. Now, let's open our custom sidebar page in a sidebar. Just click and drag to adjust the width of the windows. Remember that your sidebar pages are just regular HTML web pages. You can edit and modify them any way you want, and you can design sidebar pages yourself. However, even if you are an expert web developer, all the buttons and their prompts you see in this video are already added for you. In addition to all the dynamic prompt buttons in the drop-down areas, in this area I added quick access buttons for some of my most used prompts. They also have prompts for 2 or more steps to be used in sequence. I added numbers to the buttons for each step and grouped them by color. I also added links to the AI platforms I use most for content creation. Notice how when you have multiple platforms open in web pages, how the sidebar page stays the same. This lets you easily share prompts, info, and instructions to a variety of LLMs to squeeze the very most out of these tools. And with the optional AI feeds box, you'll use it to do a lot of the grunt work to save money and save your free credit limits on many of the LLMs. Hurry! Go grab your free custom prompt page now. Every second you delay is another second wasted in a black hole of the content making universe. It's the fastest and easiest way to improve your content exponentially.